Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. My reel just fell on me. My husband needs to fix that. But I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today's a Friday. And I am going to hang out with some friends just before fetching the kids. But my husband is here and I promised to bake some goods for him. So I'm gonna do a little baking. I'm coming back from a walk, guys. It's walking. I'm so proud of myself. I was also wearing a hat, so I protected my face while I was walking and getting healthy. Contrary to the fact that I'm going to be baking. So I'm going to bake for my husband. I'm gonna make some Portuguese tarts for him and a chocolate cake. Yep. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do like a rooibos infused chocolate cake for him. So that's what we're doing. And then I'm gonna skedaddle. I actually Yes, I'm pumping, guys, and I'm wearing my favorite gown that is on its last leg. But you know what? I noticed that I didn't unbox my gifts in my vlog. So I'm gonna show you some of the gifts that I have with me right now because I'm trying to set up my office space. Yeah, let's just unbox the gifts, guys. I think you guys already saw this. This is from my friend in Bali. I bullied my husband into getting me these because I lost my favorite hoop earring. I was devastated for a while until I saw these on the shelf and I got them. Gorgeous, stunning, like so good. I'm actually planning to wear these today, now. That's why I'm so inspired to do this unboxing. Bag of my dreams from Martha K. From Google. Lovely. It doesn't get better than this. If you ever were looking for an item of something to describe me, this would be the clutch. This is the clutch of my dreams. It's a Bottega dupe. It's not written Bottega. It's not a replica. It is a dupe, and it is 100% leather. Love it. I'm obsessed. And then I got all my loved ones to buy me Adidas sneakers. Oh, the first one. These from summer. I'm actually planning to wear these today. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I actually prefer the silhouette of a Special and Gazelle over the Samba because I just feel like it looks better on my legs and foot. But love these. Second pair, let's see. Oh, these are from my mom. These are the Gazelle Bold. I've had these actually for the longest time. I was just not unboxing it because it was my birthday gift. So, these are from my mom. Pink and blue Gazelle Bold. I've literally had these since like Jan. And then these are from my friend Khamato. Guys, I literally have been looking for a red indoor gazelle for years. Like, if you ask my husband, what's the sneaker that I've been looking for the fact that I bought Sambas before these just shows how strong the power of social media is. But I actually I couldn't find these. I could not find them anywhere. This is the sneaker of my dream. Like, literally. I love these so much. They are lovely. This is what I have for now. I have a Nike tracksuit that Summer also got me because she said, I'm going to give you more than one gift. She got me a Nike tracksuit, a purple one, and I actually want to wear this perfume. I actually hate using perfume now because I feel like my child can't like smell me. Am I crazy? So let me just grab my bag quickly. Oh. This is what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing something under because as much as the sun is out, it's snowing here. On top of the mountains, it's snowball, baby. So I'm wearing this skirt. I might take off the jersey if it gets hot, but I'm wearing a jersey. I'm wearing some sneakers. This is a very Pinteresty outfit. I saw this on Pinterest and I'm like, I'm gonna recreate it. And I did exactly just that. This skirt is from Fushini. This is from Unique. This is from Poetry. And this is Louis Vuitton. Earrings from Best. Face from my mama. Guys, my face is so chunky. I literally gained back all the weight that I lost. I feel like my husband being here is such a bad idea. Because one thing about him, he's gonna suggest us to do something. But you know what? I'm gonna let that slide because he's only here for a few days. And I'm not gonna say no to like nice food. But anyway, my plan was to raw today. I really don't want to do anything. I was hoping that we actually do something or go somewhere. But my family said, my sweetie, you are Nara Smith. And that's what you are. A girl making us nice food. I'm going to make the cake actually because I promised to make a cake yesterday. I didn't get time because I had to leave, but I did make those custard tarts that are finished. So today I'm going to make another batch of those custard tarts, and I'm also going to make a chocolate cake that I kind of developed myself. It's a rooibos infused chocolate cake. I didn't really develop this myself. I'm so stupid for saying that. But it's a cake that we made in high school. But I just couldn't find the recipe in any of my books. But I kind of like remember, if that makes sense. Like I don't remember, but I don't really remember. But I found a recipe that's very similar, but I'm just swapping out some stuff, if that makes sense. I'm just making it my own. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then I have an event tomorrow. I know what I'm gonna wear, and I also have to do my hair because it's a heritage themed event. But on Wednesday and during the week I have not an event, I have an event and a meeting, and these outfits that I want to wear. But I've sometimes you can vision an outfit and then when you put it on, it just looks like a whole lot of mess. So I'm just gonna fit on some clothes with you guys also, just to check if my outfits look good. But without talking too much, let's go and bake. I'm trying to do my hair. I'm so late. I'm actually not so late. I'm late, but if I leave, I'll make it on time. If I leave now, I'll make it on time. I don't know why I always try to put on fake lashes on. It never works out. I end up being late for no good reason. But anyway, guys, let me change. I'll see you guys once I've changed, and then because I had no business being late. I hope it doesn't mess up my makeup. Guys, no. Let me go. I still have to do my hair. And I still have to breastfeed Listen. Good morning, people of the internet. I am running late. I'm late, but I'm not late. I keep on saying this, but I'm late. I'm going to a heritage lunch with Tilly and La Croisette. I'm wearing my Timaku dress because first of all, I didn't get time to buy anything that is heritage. Nor did I have the energy to do it, guys, honestly. So I think this is good enough. Let me just grab my bag and show you what I'm wearing. Light! I'm gonna carry my Gucci bag. My kids are causing a ruckus. I wanna put makeup in here, but let me see. I hope nothing makes dirt in here. Lipstick in again into some stress actually. Everything else seems fine. I want to see if my lens will fit in here because I want to take it. Yeah. So I'm carrying my Gucci bag. I'm wearing my Timaku dress. And Jesus. I don't know if I should wear these or these. I think these are perfect. Literally been loving this so much, so we're gonna wear that. I'm also gonna pack this. Lovely. Let's go, guys. must be so easy to go back on YouTube.
I cannot. I tried, guys. I tried, but hey, it's going down. Let's come. Let's dance, my cat.
Luna, Kilata, Jo! I'm vlogging with my phone, but I actually love vlogging with my phone, guys.